Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
All right, let's take a look at a time lapse of Carolina Beach from today on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Helen, it was a gorgeous day and a gorgeous weekend. You were at the Carolina Beach Music Festival yesterday.
I was. It was awesome. Obviously packed.
Yes, they always are.
More than 3,000 people were out there, so at least the weather was nice for it. It's always a good time out there.
Did you
Beach
guys
music.
shag?
No, I did a story like a while back and taught.
We
how
both
to shag,
done. We both
but
done a couple of shag
I wasn't
stories.
very good. Yeah, I'm not very good with that. I'll leave it to the pros, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get you started with the forecast. Current temperatures outside, they're warm for this time of year and muggy, that sticky environment that we've had all weekend long. Yeah, it's continuing through the overnight hours. And see those temperatures are pretty much uniform in the middle to upper 70s, 77 degrees in Elizabethtown and Lumberton. Whiteville checking in at 76 degrees and Southport right now at 78 degrees. We have the wind coming out of the south anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour, but a quiet night across the region. We're not talking about any rain, at least in southeastern North Carolina. A little bit of rain just west of I-95, but I don't think that's going to make it to us. We should stay dry overnight, but if I expand this out, and much of the south is dealing with some rain or at least cloud cover, and it's because of this rich tropical flow that's just pumping in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So we have this warm and moist environment, and now we're going to be adding a cold front approaching the area. So we have the instability, but we're also going to be adding the lift. So that means it's a perfect recipe for scattered showers and storms to develop over the next couple of days. So that cold front brings us an active weather pattern as we start out the new work week, but behind that front, drier and unseasonably cool weather for midweek. But unfortunately, it's going to be brief, although it'll be much welcome for a couple of days. And then that heat and humidity rebuilds as we go into the weekend ahead. So let's time everything out for you on our Pinpoint Futurecast this evening. Going to be quiet as you head into work tomorrow morning. I think your commute should be dry, but go ahead, grab that umbrella, grab the rain jacket, put it in the back of the car because you'll need it probably sometime during your Monday and Tuesday. Those scattered showers and storms start to pop up around noontime, and then the chance will be with us throughout the evening hours. So your commute home could be actually on the wet side. Could be on the wet side, and then you have heavy rain, lightning, thunder, even some gusty winds associated with some of these storms that do develop. I don't think it's going to be too much of a severe weather problem, but some of these could be a little bit on the strong side. So we'll be watching things, of course, in the next couple of days. Heading into your Tuesday, more of the same. Those rain and storm chances going to be with us all day long. The next couple of days, yeah, it's going to be quite unsettled and a good soaking around the region too. Anywhere from half an inch to an inch and a half. I think higher totals will be found right along the immediate coastline where you could see those totals upwards of 2.5 inches. So yeah, like I said, nice soaking around here that we're going to see over the next few days. But that cold front will bring us lower humidity levels and lower temperatures as we go into midweek. But we'll start to see that front move out of here, and the heat and humidity returns back into southeastern North Carolina. You can see that time frame going into the weekend, so things start to warm up back around here. A couple days ago, we started the Atlantic hurricane season, so that tropical satellite, good news. It's all quiet around here, and hopefully it stays that way for quite a while. The National Hurricane Center doesn't expect any tropical development over the next 5 days. And here's that 7-day forecast. Rainy conditions the next few days, and then things get cooler and less humidity, much welcomed, like I said.
Yes.
And then by the weekend, we'll see those temperatures warm back up again. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, great days to be out and about enjoying the weather.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Helen.